In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify the correct payroll tax amount to pay in QuickBooks. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that confirms your payroll tax totals before you send any money to the IRS or your state. This helps you avoid overpaying, underpaying, or duplicating a payment, and it keeps your books aligned with what your tax agencies expect. Start by signing in and opening the taxes area from the left menu, then choose Payroll Tax. This is your payroll tax center. Here, review taxes due, upcoming payments, and filing status. Make sure the due date, the liability period, and the agency, federal or state, are what you expect. If anything looks off, click into the item to see the details behind the amount, so you're clear on which pay periods are included. Next, open the Reports section and search for the Payroll Tax Liability Report. Set the date range to match your deposit schedule, like monthly or quarterly, and then run the report. You should see federal income tax withheld, Social Security, and Medicare for both employee and employer portions, and any state or local items if they apply. The total liability on this report should match what you saw in the payroll tax center for the same period. If it doesn't, double check the dates and make sure you're on the same accounting basis across reports. Then, still in reports, open the payroll summary for the exact same date range. Use this as a cross-check. Employee withholdings plus employer taxes should equal the payroll tax liability you just reviewed. If there's a mismatch, confirm your filters include every pay run in that period, including off-cycle checks or any voided or corrected payrolls, and that no pay schedules were excluded. After you're comfortable with the totals, head back to Taxes, open Payroll Tax, and view payment history. Confirm that prior payments for earlier periods have posted and were applied to the correct agencies. Watch for any pending or duplicate payments that could distort your current balance. If you see a duplicate or a payment still processing for the same period, pause and reconcile before paying again. Finally, open payroll settings and review your tax setup. Verify your federal and state account numbers and confirm current tax rates. Also, make sure your deposit schedule and e-file/e-pay settings are accurate. An incorrect setup can lead to wrong calculations, so fix anything that's outdated before your next payroll or payment. If the payroll tax center, the payroll tax liability report, and the payroll summary all agree and your payment history is clear, you're ready to pay with confidence. Save or export the reports for your records and repeat this check each deposit period to stay accurate and compliant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.